With Facebook Live, in order to be successful, you've got to be entertaining. You can't just go online with a suit and talk about your business. You can't just go online and just chat in a monotone voice. You've got to entertain people. You've got to look at the likes of YouTube, the likes of PewDiePie, DanTDM, Jenna Marbles, all of the people that are really great at entertaining people and why. They're funny people, they're animated, they're emotional. So, one of the greatest ways in which I have used Facebook Live is because I do entertaining streams and I do gaming streams. So why is a gaming stream good? A gaming stream is good as YouTube has shown and proven. Gaming is entertaining. Gaming is entertaining. But the massively beneficial thing about gaming is that you can talk while you're gaming. Now, when I talk about gaming, what I don't mean is just literally having some gameplay happening and nothing else. What I mean is that you need to have the webcam pointing at you while there's a game happening in the foreground, while there's something happening in the main screen, on the main display. So let's have a look at this one here. This is me using Minecraft gaming as a way of entertaining my audience. So let's have a look.
Welcome everybody to another epic stream on Minecraft. We are going to be playing some more Pixel Painters. How are we doing? I hope you got to see the earlier live stream on 7 more. Cockroaches. Let's do a cockroach against a yellow background.
So I take people through my journey as I'm creating something. I'm asking them to engage with me. I'm asking them. I say, how do we get brown? And I've got what I've got. I'm asking questions. I'm engaging them. I'm getting them to communicate back to me. And what you've got here is you've got a ton of comments. In this one here, you've got to be animated. Let's have a closer look at how I've done it here.
Come on. I've got to be Kitten Girl.
So just to let you know, in this drawing, and this is a Minecraft mini game. If you don't know, Minecraft is one of the biggest hits ever for children. And what you do in this little mini game is you go up against other competitors, 22 other competitors. You draw something, you're given 3 minutes to draw it, and then the 22 competitors all vote on which picture is the best that's displayed. And here I am in the semi-finals of this Guess My Drawing game.
If I beat Kitten Girl, I'll be...
But watch how I react.
I'm going to beat Kitten Girl. Yes! She's the one that won the last two. Yes, come on. Yes! I'm beating her! Yes!
So I've gone through... So I was in the semi-finals there, and then I get through to the final. And people are taken on this journey with me. That's the great thing. This gets them to engage better. Now I'm in the final.
I can win. Come on. Yes! I'm winning. Come on. Yes! I've won! Yes! Good!
So look, you can already see how I am using gaming. I'm using gaming to entertain people. You can't just have a game randomly playing in the background. You've got to be entertaining. And that reached nearly 4,000 people. It had a ton of engagement. I didn't pay to promote this. This is natural organic reach. This is natural organic engagement. And same here, I do exactly the same with this game here, YouTubers Life. And I just get online and start talking to people. Then there are other ways in which I do it, which is here, when I literally just get my phone, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in the coming lectures. You just get your phone, you go live, and you just start talking. But I mount my phone up here so that I can use my hands and start presenting. And then I say to people why we're living in the greatest moment of our time in this particular video. And in this video, I'm really looking to inspire people. That is the main thing. Now, what you can see here is that when I've posted a normal video, it's had some relatively decent engagement, but this normal video has only reached 929 people. Even though it's had 167 views, it's only reached 929 people. This one has reached 135 people. It's had fewer views than the video, but the reach is much bigger. And the reason why is because your stream goes to the top of people's timelines. Your video does not. Normal videos, statuses, photos, they don't go to the top of timelines. They appear in some obscure place on someone's timeline. But a live stream is at the top because it's happening right now, and Facebook Live are heavily promoting live streaming. And in this particular example, I paid for some of this, 57,000 people with my live stream. And because live streams are so engaging, the cost to actually promote it is virtually zero. Okay? I am paying less than, 0.001 of a cent to promote of each view on this. And in the meantime, what happens is that people are seeing my courses. So what I've done here is I have actually promoted all of my Udemy courses. And in this video, what I talk about is how do you gain an audience for your brand? And what I've done here is I've provided links as to how they can get it on Facebook, on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and Periscope. So you can see that my videos have tremendous reach, 10,000 people a day, and by entertaining them, but at the same time, by making sure that I promote another channel. So what you can see here is I've promoted my YouTube channel. Up here, I've promoted my YouTube channel. Again, I've promoted my YouTube channel. Just keep on funneling people. That is the glory of Facebook Live. Now, in the coming lectures, I'm going to show you more examples of how Facebook Live works, but it is the most incredible tool to gain viral organic reach for free. For free. And an exceptional way, a real hack as to how you can grow your page likes whilst also funneling people into different areas, pushing them to YouTube, pushing them to your sales page. It's so marvellous. Facebook Live is the greatest organic reach tool available and it's on the biggest social network on the planet. The greatest of them all, Facebook, and possibly the #1 website in the world. So I hope that this has educated you as to why you should be doing Facebook Live. You've got to think of your Facebook Live channel like your YouTube channel. You've got to have a series of videos on your page, and you've got to treat your page like a YouTube channel, being your central repository for videos. So I'll see you in the next lecture.